how to add logo on Wix. So what you're gonna have to do is simply upload your logo. So you're gonna have to go to add elements, then simply select the image, and then you're gonna have to simply click on custom logo, and then you're gonna have to simply add your logo. So as you can see, we have here the logo, and then you're gonna have to simply attach it to the header here. As you can see, you have right here. Then you're gonna have to delete here this one, so you can place it wherever you want, like this. And basically that's it. So then simply click on the logo design, and here you can simply create your own logo. But if you want, you can also upload your own logo if you already have one, so you don't have to actually use that logo here. And basically that's it. So simply attach it to the header, and that's all you have to do. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.